Hey guys, I'm bringing you an unboxing video. I went ahead and subscribed to Leaf and Clay. This is my first time purchasing anything from them. So it is $16 a month. You get 3 plants, free shipping. If you need a heat pack, then it will be $20 a month. So this is my first time opening to see what's in here. I went ahead and cut the box open, but I did not look inside. So let's see what we got in here. And I'm outside, so there is a lot of noise. See what it says. Yep, $15.95 free shipping. And this is the Plant Mail Club Auto Renew. So every month it will renew itself. So let's see what I got. I like how they individually wrapped everything very carefully. This is very different from, oh, okay, I can see what this is already. This is cactus. So this is very different from mountain cress. Mountain cress you do get, when you purchase something mountain cress, it does come in its own little container. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I'm going to go ahead and guess that this is the bunny ear cactus. So I'm happy about that I got cactus because I am into cactus lately. I wonder if they'll tell me, no, they won't have any info on the plants. So I'll have to like Google, I guess, their name because they do not have a name on the plants. As I will continue this subscription as long as I don't start to get like a bunch of repeats, then I'm okay with that. So we'll see how long I'll do this for. Okay, it's the succulent. I believe this one over there in that big pot. I think this is California Sunset. I'm not sure. I don't remember the name. Let's see. I hope this is one that I don't have. So far, I believe I have these two, but I'm hoping that this one is something that I don't have. Oh, I don't have this. And this is tiger's claw. And it had just flowered, I guess. How cute is that? I believe this is tiger's claw, and the only reason I know is because I think I saw recent videos about them, and I do recognize it. So that's exciting. So cool. Okay, great. So I'll have to do some research just to make sure about their names and stuff. And yeah, I'm excited. And I have some cactus hair stuck on my finger. I feel it. It's itching. Anyways, guys, so I'm really excited. I can't wait to see next month what I'll get. So I will totally be doing another unboxing video when I get that. So it's every month, and I believe it's in the beginning of the month. I had just purchased this. Let me see if it tells me the date. On February 3rd, I made my purchase, and I received it on the 7th, which that was pretty quick. I feel that the time went by fast. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna pot these up. So the only complaint I would have really is about the cactuses. They're pretty hard to clean, obviously, because of their little hairs that will get into your skin and itch. So if I use this brush, I notice that I'm taking a lot of their hairs off. So I have to find a way to try to do it without removing their hairs. I mean, I don't know if that's a big deal or not. I gotta be careful because these little hairs, I shouldn't be wearing gloves, but I don't like the way gloves feel, the way they feel in my hands. hope you guys are having a great day today. It's been a nice day here. It looked like it was going to rain, but it didn't. The sun was just out. Might rain a little bit later, I guess. I don't know if I like the way this looks. Like she needs more support in there. There we go. Now she's standing up. I'm really enjoying my plants inside. So for now, obviously I have a bunch of them outside too. They're right there. And in other areas, those are bigger pots, so I won't bring those inside. At least not for now. Anyways, here's what this one looks like. Next up is Tiger's Claw, which I'm super excited about. So if you guys decide to sign up, let me know. And if you are signed up already, let me know what you guys got this month. I am curious to see or to know. So my Instagram is babyabreu22. I'll put it on the description box below so that you guys can see. I think I needed to choose a bigger pot for this, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. If I need to repot it, I will. So yeah, like I was saying, if you guys are subscribed, I want to know what you guys got. So go ahead and you can share it with me on Instagram. And that will be exciting to see what you guys got. Oh goodness, the other plant fell. There's that one. So this one that I got, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna recycle this pot here that I got from, I think it was Home Depot, a plant that I purchased. I'm gonna go ahead and repot. I'm not sure if I want to use it in an arrangement yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pot it there for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish repotting this off camera, only because my camera keeps falling. The base does not want to hold on to this table that I have it on. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, guys. And yeah, thanks guys, bye.